For the past 15 months, I've been on a mission to make the best low-calorie, high-protein ice cream all in the comforts of my own home. And on this search for the best, I tested over 300 different recipes. In this video, you get the best of the best, my top 19. Let's get right into that first flavor, which is a GOAT flavor we all know and love, Oreo cookies and cream. Yes, this whole pint is only 255 calories with 36 grams of protein. Showing you how to make my base vanilla recipe and then turn it into an Oreo cookies and cream variation. So simple. So you're going to take your pint and you're going to add all your ingredients in there. And you're going to use your small hand blender, blend till smooth, add it to the freezer till frozen, preferably overnight. Once frozen, add to your creamy holster. Then you're going to use the light ice cream function. The cool thing is this takes like 2 minutes and you only have to spin it once. And then boom, if you just want like a vanilla soft serve, this is perfect. Like this reminds me of the McDonald's vanilla soft serve that's always broken. But now we're going to make this Oreo cookies and cream. You're going to make a little hole in the middle for the Oreos, then add it back to the creamy and use the mix-ins function. And then once done, you have a whole pint of ice cream. You get to eat all to yourself. Enjoy, my friends.
Oh my. This whole thing's only 255 calories. Absolutely absurd.
All right, so you might be wondering, Zach, that first recipe went by really fast. How am I even supposed to follow this recipe? So don't worry about that. I created this full recipe book. First link in the description below, completely free. It's amazing. It has all the recipes in here. We have the nutrition facts, we have the ingredients, we have the directions. I mean, look at this right here. This is literally the recipe you just saw. I want you guys to make these recipes. I'm a man of the people. I just want the value. I want to give you guys as much value as possible. It's not easy to create. This is nice for free. Yeah. First link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video and make some strawberry cheesecake protein ice cream. You guys know the strawberry shortcake bars. This is literally that in ice cream form. That's only 350 calories, 46 grams of protein. So first we're gonna make that strawberry ice cream base. You're gonna add all your ingredients into your small blender and you're gonna blend till smooth. Then you're gonna add that to your pint, add that to the freezer till frozen, preferably overnight. Once frozen, you're gonna add that to your creamy holster, add to the creamy and do the light ice cream function. And if you just want a rich strawberry ice cream, you're good to go. But now for the mix-ins, this is a pro tip right here for the cheesecake chunks. Add those, then some fresh strawberries, and then 1 sheet of graham crackers. Press those in there, then add back to the creamy and do the mix-ins function. And then it's time to enjoy, my friends.
Strawberry cheesecake. 46 grams of protein, only 350 calories.
Public service announcement. If you love cereal milk protein ice cream is going to change your life. Today we got the GOAT Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So first we're going to make that cereal milk. Add your milks in the cereal and you're going to let that soak for at least 6 to 7 hours. Once done, it should look like this. Now you're going to strain out the cereal milk. I got about 330 grams left. Now you're going to add to your pint your cereal milk, a little bit more milk to make up the difference, and then all your dry ingredients. I use a small milk frother to mix everything together. Now add your pint to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add to your creamy holster, add to your creamy, and then do the light ice cream function. And then after 1 time through, you have the perfect cereal milk protein ice cream. But if you want to add some mix-ins, make a hole in the middle, add your cinnamon toast crunch, do the mix-ins function, and peep the caption for how I calculate the macros on the cereal milk if you're wondering. Enjoy, my friends.
This is a mouthful. Stay with me here. Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal milk protein ice cream. Whole thing's less than 300 calories. Oh my God. Wow. God, what the fuck? This is crazy.
I love me some Italian ice, and this whole pint of strawberry Italian ice is only 96 calories. The whole pint. It's a lifesaver. I always have these in my freezer. So it's super simple. You're gonna add all your ingredients into your small blender, and you're gonna blend till smooth. Then you're just gonna add to your creamy pint. You're gonna add to the freezer till frozen, preferably 24 hours. Then once frozen, you're gonna add to your creamy on the sorbet function. Will still be a little crumbly after that first time. Then just do the respin, and then you have perfection. You can add some mini chocolate chips as a mix-in, but the moral of the story is 96 calories. Enjoy, my friends.
96 calories from school. Come on now, look at that. Wow. Can't beat it, join it. That's how I felt about this cream. Literally a game changer.
All right, guys, so I'm currently editing this video. Let me take this out of here. And it dawned on me that in order to maximize this machine, I spent 15 months doing crazy amounts of R&D on this machine, testing out all the settings, literally how to maximize this machine. So I highly recommend checking out this video right here. It is by far the best in-depth tutorial video on how to use the Ninja Creami and maximize it to make the best low-calorie, high-protein ice cream. That's what we're all about. It's going to expedite the process of learning how to use this machine and maximize it. And even if you've been using this machine for a while, I think you're going to learn something new. And if you want to skip right to the tutorial, it's at the 9-minute and 18-second mark. Speaking of coffee, I love coffee. If you love coffee, you're going to love this cold brew coffee protein ice cream I'm about to show you how to make. Only 226 calories for the whole pint. It's so good. Let's go. Today we have the cold brew coffee protein ice cream that's only 226 calories, 36 grams of protein. And then we're going to turn it into an Oreo coffee chip protein ice cream. Unreal. So first you're going to add all your ingredients into your pint and then just use a small hand mixer and mix the ingredients till smooth. Out of the freezer till frozen, preferably overnight. And then once frozen, add to your creamy holster, then add to the creamy and do the light ice cream function. You're going to literally run through 1 time and then you have this amazing cold brew coffee protein ice cream. Like I said, only 226 calories. But then we're going to add those mix-ins and turn it into the Oreo coffee chip protein ice cream. Bada bing, bada boom. So good. Still only 339 calories. Enjoy, my friends.
Oreo coffee chip protein ice cream. I don't know unreal. Guys, this whole thing, 339 calories.
I literally have no excuse on why it's taking me so long to share this recipe, but this Biscoff protein ice cream is crazy. Whole pint, 400 calories of heaven. So you're gonna start by adding all your ingredients into your pint, and you're just gonna use your small hand blender, and you're gonna blend till smooth. Out of the freezer with the cover off so it doesn't get the hump. Once frozen, add to your creamy holster. Then you're gonna add to your creamy and do the light ice cream function. Run it through one time. And now you have a delicious vanilla protein ice cream for only 231 calories. Now let's make it Biscoff cookie butter ice cream. Add in your cookie butter and cookies, do the mix-ins function, and then it's time to enjoy, my friends.
Oh, it's my best one yet. What we call thickness. Cookie butter ice cream. Literally speaks to my soul.
How spoiled are we now that 400 calories for a whole pint of protein ice cream seems like a lot? It's a pretty great problem to have. And this one is a little bit higher calorie than my normal ones because I wanted to get that rich peanut butter flavor. And so the process is the same as always. We're gonna add all of our base ingredients to our pint, mix till smooth, add to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, you're gonna add to the creamy on your light ice cream setting, run it through one time, and then boom, you have an incredible PB protein ice cream. It's unreal. But if you wanna give it that Reese's vibe, add your mix-ins, add back to the creamy, do the mix-ins function, and then my goodness, incredible. Enjoy, my friends.
This is the one. Reese, guys. This whole pint's 400 calories. 55 grams of protein.
We got another episode of the Protein Ice Cream Chronicles. This time we got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cheesecake Protein Ice Cream. Incredible. This whole pint's only 301 calories with 44 grams of protein. So first we're just gonna add all ingredients to our pint. And we're gonna use a small hand blender and blend till smooth. Super simple. Now add that pint to the freezer till frozen. Now we're gonna add it to the creamy on the ice cream function. I only ran it through one time before adding in the mix-ins. Now make a hole in the middle for the mix-ins. And here's a little pro tip for cheesecake chunks. You're just gonna freeze a block of cream cheese, chop it up into small pieces, add it to the center. And of course add a little bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Add back to the creamy on the mix-ins function. And then once done, you have a whole pint to yourself with 44 grams of protein. Enjoy, my friends.
What? Whole thing's 300 calories. Unreal, guys.
So Fruity Pebble cereal milk is a game changer. This whole pint's only 284 calories with 36 grams of protein. It is unbelievable. So first we're gonna make that cereal milk. You're gonna add your milk and your Fruity Pebbles into a bowl, mix the Fruity Pebbles in there, let it soak for about 6 to 7 hours. Now you're gonna strain out that cereal milk. There's about 300 grams left afterwards. So I had to add a little bit more extra milk. Then add your dry ingredients and you're gonna mix till smooth. Out of the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add to your creamy, do the light ice cream function. Now if you just wanna have it like this, it literally tastes just like Fruity Pebbles, but if you wanna add a little bit more flair, make a little hole in the middle for the mix-ins, add your Fruity Pebbles, use the mix-ins function, and then you have this whole pint of cereal milk protein ice cream to yourself. Enjoy, my friends.
I just made Fruity Pebble cereal milk protein ice cream. What the This is absurd. Whole pint's 300 calories. I think this is the best one I've made yet.
We got Crunch Bar protein ice cream. This whole pint's only 393 calories, 38 grams of protein. So first we're gonna add our 2 types of milk, then our vanilla whey casein blend protein powder, cheesecake pudding mix, 0-cal sweetener, pinch of sea salt, mix till smooth, add to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add to your creamy holster. You're gonna add to your creamy and then use the light ice cream function. It's perfection. I mean, look at that consistency running through one time. But now for the mix-ins, you're just gonna add 1 snack size Crunch Bar, do the mix-ins function. I have a bunch of pro tips in the caption below on how to make the perfect creamy every single time. I've had mine for over a year, and I just don't have enough time in the voiceover to share them all. Now flatten out the top, melt your mini chocolate chips, and then add in your Rice Krispies. Add that to the top of the pint, out of the freezer for about 30 minutes to set, and then it's time to enjoy, my friends. Oh! Basic season's back. And so today we hit the apple pie protein ice cream. Only 285 calories for the whole pint, 36 grams of protein. So first you're just gonna add all your ingredients into your pint. You're gonna blend till smooth. Now the game changer ingredient most grocery stores have, which is this light apple pie filling. Macros are crazy. Add to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add your creamy holster. Add to the creamy, use the light ice cream function. Literally run it through one time. And now you have this insane apple pie protein ice cream for only 285 calories. Now time for the mix-ins. Add your 2 Biscoff cookies. Do the mix-ins function. And still it's only 360 calories. Enjoy, my friends.
This whole pint, 300 calories. This is next level.
This pumpkin pie protein ice cream will have your basic little heart doing a happy dance. It's only 290 calories, 38 grams of protein, literally a pumpkin pie in ice cream form. So first step, as always, you're gonna add all your ingredients into your pint, and then you're gonna blend till smooth. Your hand frother here is gonna have to do a little bit more work than normal. This is pretty thick. But once mixed, add your pint to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add your creamy holster, use the light ice cream function. You're gonna also need to do a respin, but then once done, you have this insane pumpkin pie protein ice cream, only 290 calories. Add those crushed graham crackers and enjoy, my friends.
Pumpkin pie protein ice cream. Wow, I'm basically a little hard.
The frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A is fire. And today I'm showing you guys how to make a whole pint of it for only 246 calories with 35 grams of protein. So first you're gonna get a diet lemonade from Chick-fil-A. Get the large, and this can make 4 pints of ice cream. Juice from 1/2 lemon, Fairlife fat-free milk, vanilla protein powder, white chocolate pudding mix, 0-cal sweetener, pinch of sea salt, and the zest from 1/2 lemon. You're gonna blend till smooth, add the pint to the freezer till frozen. Once completely frozen, add to the creamy holster, and now you're gonna use the light ice cream function. It takes about a minute to 90 seconds. You're only gonna have to run it through one time, and just like that, you get to eat a whole pint of frosted lemonade protein ice cream for only 250 calories. Enjoy, my friends.
Did I just turn this into this? It's crazy. This whole thing's 250 calories. Come on now.
A whole pint of Italian ice for 92 calories. I mean, you really can't beat it. I have one of these like every day. So first you're gonna cut up your watermelon. You're gonna add your watermelon, water, 1 small lime, your sweetener and a pinch of salt, blend till smooth. And if you're like me and you wanna have one of these every single day, I highly recommend prepping like 6 or 7 of these. And then you can just grab and then you have an Italian ice in like 5 minutes. Now once frozen, add your creamy on the sorbet function. You're gonna need to run it through one more time. It's gonna be a little crumbly this first time, but after the second time, perfection. 92 calories. Enjoy, my friends.
Yo, this whole thing's 92 calories. Watermelon Italian ice. This is such a dieting hack. 92 calories.
We got another episode of the Protein Ice Cream Chronicles. We got the Cosmic Brownie Protein Ice Cream. This whole pint's less than 300 calories, 42 grams of protein. Unbelievable. So first we're gonna add all our ingredients into our pint. I'm going with 4 different layers of chocolate flavor to really get that dense brownie flavor. Take your small hand blender, blend till smooth. Add your pint to the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, add to your creamy and use the ice cream function. I only ran it through once to get it like this, but you might have to run it through one more time. But the moral of the story is you got Cosmic Brownie Protein Ice Cream. Enjoy, my friends.
Cosmic Brownie Protein Ice Cream. Oh. God, this is straight brownie. This whole thing's only 300 calories. Yeah, that's crazy.
Today we get the birthday cake batter protein ice cream, 255 calories for the whole pint, 36 grams of protein. So first you're gonna add all your ingredients into your pint. Make sure to do the exact amounts I show here. The birthday cake batter extract is a game changer. Then I just use a small milk frother to mix everything together. Out of the freezer till frozen. And then once frozen, add to your creamy holster, add to your creamy, and then do the light ice cream function. And then you have this incredible cake batter protein ice cream. Now we're gonna make it birthday cake batter. And then boom, birthday cake batter protein ice cream. And it doesn't even have to be your birthday. Enjoy, my friends.
Birthday cake batter protein ice cream. Look at the thickness. 255 calories. Yeah.
This is your sign to take your favorite cereal and make your own cereal milk protein ice cream. This Reese's Puff one is only 351 calories, 41 grams of protein. So first, we're gonna make that cereal milk. You're gonna soak your Reese's Puff cereal for at least 6 to 7 hours. Keep the caption per hour. I calculated the cereal milk into the macros. Strain out the cereal milk, get every last drop. Now add all your ingredients into your pint, and the full recipe is always in the caption below. And I use a small milk frother to mix everything together. Add to the freezer till frozen. Now here's the big thing. Use the ice cream setting instead of the light ice cream setting. I'm telling you, if you want that thick, full fat vibe for your ice cream, after your first spin, you're gonna be like, this is a little dry. But once you add your mix-ins, do the mix-ins function, it is that perfect full fat ice cream vibe. I'm telling you, give this a try. Enjoy, my friends.
I just turned Reese's Puff cereal milk into this. My gosh. 350 calories. 41 grams of protein. Let's go.
So what you see here is a whole pint of vanilla ice cream for 75 calories. And this has been a mission of mine for a while to create this because I love cereal. And I love to eat cereal with my ice cream. I like to add the cereal on top, eat that layer of cereal and ice cream. Then once the cereal's gone, add a little bit more on top. And then repeat till the whole pint is gone. And so creating a super low calorie ice cream that tastes awesome was a must because it gives me more calories to play with to add cereal throughout. So is this the best ice cream of all time? No, but is it pretty freaking awesome for 75 calories? 1000%. Enjoy, my friends.
This whole thing's 75 calories. 75 calories, guys. Like, you can't beat it.
The day is here. I made Oreo cereal milk protein ice cream. This whole pint is only 301 calories, 38 grams of protein. It's incredible. So first we're gonna make our cereal milk. You're gonna add your 2 milks, then your Oreo cereal, and you're gonna let this soak for about 6 to 7 hours. Then you're gonna strain out the cereal milk. It had about 330 grams left. Do everything you gotta do to get every last drop of that sweet, sweet nectar. Now you're gonna add to your pint your cereal milk, a little bit more of the Fairlife fat-free milk. And for the dry ingredients, the black cocoa powder is a must if you want a real authentic Oreo flavor. I use a small milk frother to mix everything together. Out of the freezer till frozen. Once frozen, you're gonna add it to your creamy holster. Add to your creamy, use the light ice cream function. And now you have a perfect protein Oreo cereal milk ice cream base. But now we're gonna do our mix-ins, 2 Oreo thins, use the mix-ins function. Keep the caption on how I calculated macros on the cereal milk if you're wondering. Enjoy, my friends.
This is made with Oreo cereal milk. 300 calories. Look at that. I mean, what is life? What is life?
So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite creamy recipe was, dude. We're walking in circles right now. If I had to pick my favorite, it had to be two. This is like picking from my children. I have 19 kids, guys. I'll say the Biscoff and the Fruity Pebble cereal milk. Those are my two favorites. So if you've gotten value from this video, please hit that thumbs up. And then if you're not subscribed, I mean, majority of you guys are not subscribed, which is kind of crazy. Please hit that subscribe button. And so one last thing, I love pizza. And one thing I love to do is have a big old pizza and then eat a whole pint of ice cream. So if you want to eat pizza and ice cream and still reach your goals, and if you eat a pint of ice cream, the whole pizza, 53 plus about 40 grams. Dude, almost 100 grams of protein between the two, and the whole pizza is only 631 calories for a whole 12-inch pizza. It's gonna be the video right here, my FDL pizza. It's my most famous recipe of all time. Check it out. It's a game changer. And as always, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.